I decided to check out Sabalo Market last Saturday to see how the storm affected the vendors. And normally at this point in the drive there would be tons of cars parked and people milling about. You can see things are a bit different now. The challenge, of course, is that the storm leveled all the crops, and any outdoor crop at this point was likely washed away. So my local food supply is definitely affected. So normally there would be at least 100 or more vendors selling clothes and food and fresh produce. Today it's empty, and as I drive around I see one vendor in the corner to the right selling housewares that wouldn't be affected by the storm, and I don't see any vendors anywhere, any farmers, any food. Wait, there's one. Looks like one individual sitting on the edge there. Let me see. I'll take a look, see what she has for sale. Turns out it's one of my favorite vendors, Daisy, who I buy coconuts from all the time, and she has water spinach, otherwise known as Cancun, and also sweet potato leaves. And I asked her how hers were able to survive, and she mentioned that they were indoors, so that's why she's the only vendor out here today selling greens. And there was one other vendor selling cooked food inside. According to my farmer friend Patrick, he has seen some farmers already planting and tilling the soil, and he says it'll be about another 60 to 75 days before the first fruits of that labor will be seen. So that was my haul for Saturday. Not much, but at least I got some fresh vegetables. See you in the next video.
Subscribe.
You know what a man said.